Jordan brand is expanding its reach beyond the basketball court and deeper into the world of football with an exciting new release, the Air Jordan 3 Brazil. This drop marks a major milestone, tied directly to the brand's official partnership with the Brazil Football Federation. It comes at a historic moment, as this will be the first time the iconic Jumpman logo ever appears on an official Brazil national team tournament kit. It's a crossover that blends sneaker culture with global football, and this special colorway was created to celebrate that union. True to its name and theme, the design draws directly from the colors of Brazil's flag and national identity. The upper is crafted from rich royal blue leather, covering most of the shoe and setting a bold, recognizable tone right from the start. Adding the signature contrast, vibrant green accents are placed on key details like the Nike Air branding on the heel, tying in another core national color. To complete the look, the midsole stands out in a bright, striking yellow, the third iconic shade that represents the country. Even the classic elephant print overlays are likely finished in tones that complement the palette, ensuring every element works together to represent Brazil in a way that feels both patriotic and undeniably Jordan brand. This release is about more than just a new colorway. It symbolizes the growth of the Jumpman brand into new sports and new regions. It honors the passion and legacy of Brazilian football, while bringing one of the most beloved Air Jordan silhouettes to a whole new audience.